Egg salad lettuce wraps, a fresh and healthy twist. Craving something light, fresh, and packed with flavor? Egg salad lettuce wraps are the perfect balance of creamy, crunchy, and satisfying, all without the heaviness of bread. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a low-carb meal, or just a delicious way to enjoy eggs, this recipe is a must-try. Egg salad is a timeless favorite, but swapping bread for crisp lettuce leaves takes it to the next level. It's refreshing, gluten-free, and allows the rich, velvety egg mixture to shine. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make with simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Ingredients: serves for 8 large eggs, hard-boiled and peeled. 1/4 cup mayonnaise, or Greek yogurt for a lighter option. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon paprika, optional, for a smoky kick. 2 tablespoons chopped chives or green onions. Half cup finely diced celery, adds crunch. 1 head of butter lettuce or romaine lettuce. How to make it? Chop the hard-boiled eggs into small pieces and place them in a mixing bowl. Add the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and paprika. Stir until well combined. Fold in the chopped chives and diced celery for extra texture and freshness. Gently separate the lettuce leaves and spoon the egg salad onto each one. Wrap them up and enjoy immediately or chill for a refreshing bite later. Pro tips for the best wraps. For extra protein, add diced chicken or avocado to the mix. Want a spicy kick? A dash of hot sauce or diced jalapenos will do the trick. Use the freshest lettuce for the best crunch. Romaine and butter lettuce hold up well. If meal prepping, store the egg salad separately and assemble the wraps when ready to eat. Egg salad lettuce wraps prove that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. They're simple, delicious, and perfect for any time of the day. What's your favorite twist on egg salad? Share your ideas in the comments.